I will explore the color variations of water in infrared photography by testing my camera in different locations. I made a first video explaining how my digital camera was modified to full spectrum by color revision. If you didn't watch this first episode, there's a link in the description. I then installed the new higher chrome clip-in filter in front of my sensor. With this filter, vegetation will reflect infrared light and appear red. But first, why does the water look so different in infrared? Water bodies do not absorb infrared light, but the blue and green light penetrates the water and reflects from the bottom surface. Without the red information, the water appears in different shades of green and blue. The color of the water will also be influenced by the quantity of oxygen or the number of suspended particles. With a normal camera, rivers can look milky, but once in infrared, the colors are just incredible. The contrast between the red moss and the jade water is stunning. When I was shooting details with my 85mm lens, I was hypnotized by the crazy color differences between reality and what I had in my viewfinder. If the sun hits the pool directly, the contrast with the surrounding vegetation is striking. If there is no turbulence on the lake, it will act as a mirror, and the water will have the sky color. But if there is turbulence, you will see very interesting shades of blue and green. The look of the water will also depend on the weather conditions. In infrared, a waterfall will look white as it looks in normal light. What you are seeing is light reflecting off the surface of millions of tiny bubbles. Snow and ice will follow the same principle as waterfalls. If it's white in normal light, it will be also white in infrared. The contrast between the vibrant jade-colored water and the rocky walls creates something unique. The look of the seawater is milkier but also more vibrant. Modifying a camera to full spectrum can be expensive. So if you don't have a camera you want to modify or just don't have the budget for it, I created the infrared LUT that can recreate the look of the higher chrome filter on any video footage and even on photos. Check the link in the description to get it. I would like to give a huge shout out to my supporters on Patreon. Thank you so much for believing in my channel and supporting my work. This support helps me create the videos I want to make instead of chasing trends. If you are watching and you want to help me keep that freedom, head over to my Patreon. And if you missed the 2 first episodes on infrared, you should check these videos.